5 tips for safe driving in winter. Winter brings rain, ice, and snow to many places, which means wet roads that can be slippery. First and foremost, if you're traveling on wet, icy, or snowy roads, you should reduce your speed. Speed limits are based on ideal conditions, and if you are driving through heavy snow, you're not going to be able to go as fast as you would on a clear, warm day. Also, if you must drive in the snow, allow yourself more time to get to your destination so you don't feel rushed. And don't think that rain is harmless. When the roads are wet, oil and other fluids from cars add to the mix, making the asphalt even slicker. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, recommends you reduce your speed by 1/3 on wet roads and half on snow-packed roads. In addition to slowing down, you should allow for more distance between your car and the vehicle in front of you. The normal following distance rule of 3 seconds should become 6 to 8 seconds in wet and snowy weather. When you're driving in the rain or snow, you should also turn on your headlights. Unfortunately, hydroplaning is a common occurrence in bad weather, and if you find yourself losing control of your car, the natural inclination is often to brake hard. It causes your brakes to lock up, which in turn makes your tires stop spinning. If you have a front-wheel or rear-wheel drive vehicle with traction control and ABS, gradually steer toward an open space while keeping your foot lightly on the gas. If you have a rear-wheel drive vehicle without ABS or traction control, gradually steer toward an open space while slowly letting off the gas. Lastly, it's easier to lose traction when the roads are wet, icy, or snowy, so take it slower in terms of not only speed but also maneuvers. It's not the time to speed up to beat a yellow light or to quickly merge when you should really let another vehicle pass. Approach driving with a bit more patience and caution, as it's easier to lose control and cause an accident. Sharpen up your driving skills by watching more of our videos. Learn more about driver's ed. Thanks for watching.